In this video, we will take a look at the views and visitors within a particular gallery. To view this information, within your Zenfolio account, go to the Gallery section where you have all of your galleries and folders uploaded. From here, use the My Folders section on the left-hand side to navigate through your different folders and galleries and select the particular gallery you'd like to take a look at. Within that gallery, click on the Activity button in the top center. From here, you will first see the overview of the gallery. On the left-hand side, click on Views and Visitors. The Views and Visitors activity will give you an overlook at who has visited this gallery and what images they have looked at. At the top of this section, you will see the most viewed photos within the gallery. On each photo, you will also see how many times this particular photo has been viewed by a unique visitor. Further down the page, you will see a visitor list. This will contain the email addresses and the role of the visitor that has taken a look at your gallery. It is important to keep in mind that a visitor will only be counted if they've provided their email address in some way. This can be done by providing the email address required by you when they visit the gallery, or if they select favorites, they will need to provide their email address. Clients and guests that have also been added to this gallery will appear here once they visit. For more assistance, please contact our support team or visit our support center for more information.